Nakalabas na mula sa ospital si dating Pangulong Cory Aquino pagkatapos dumaan sa iba't ibang medical tests kaugnay sa sakit niyang colon cancer. Pero kahapon naging emosyonal si Chris Aquino dahil sa hirap na pinagdaanan ng kanyang ina. Nagpapatrol Linya Corpus.
I wasn't myself today kasi my mom's in the hospital.
Nangingilid ang luhang ikinuwento ni Chris Aquino sa The Bus kahapon ang paghihirap na dinaranas ngayon ng kanyang inang si dating Pangulong Cory Aquino.
She went through a series of tests. These tests are, she needed to go through these tests to see where she is right now and because to prepare her for something that will happen next week.
Sa kabila nito, positibo pa rin si Chris, lalo't lumalaban naman ang kanyang ina sa sakit niyang colon cancer na napag-alaman nitong Marso.
Ang good news ko for everybody is nakapasa siya in all the tests. And nag-text naman yung sister ko at sinabi, she passed all 3 tests. She went through an angiogram, a CT scan, and one more. Next week, she undergoes something again, and please continue to pray for her.
Binisita naman daw kahapon ni Senator Noynoy Aquino ang ina sa ospital. Pagod na pagod nga raw ang dating Pangulo sa dami ng pinagdaanan niyang medical test na magsasabi kung kailangan niya ng bagong treatment para sa kanyang cancer. Ang resulta ng mga test ay malalaman sa susunod na linggo.
She was watching The Bus and a basketball game. She didn't really have an appetite yesterday. Then, but then she drifted off to sleep. Then she doing, parang it was very visible. She was really tired.
Pero naniniwala si Senator Noynoy na malalagpasan ni Ginang Aquino ang kanyang sakit.
Prayers really have been the source of comfort. Pwede ko sana talaga araw-arawin na natin dahil talagang dramatic yung improvement because of all of this.
Kinumpirma rin ng senador na nakalabas na ang kanyang ina sa ospital kagabi at nagpapahinga ngayon sa bahay ng kanilang kapatid. Ninya Corpus, Patrol ng Pilipino.